Hello and welcome to PHSC.117.W01, Exploring Physical Science and Astronomy. This is your instructor, Dr. Vasudevarao Aravind. In this course, we will explore the laws and principles governing our physical world. We will explore the world at extremely small scales, such as the atom, and also at extremely large scales, such as stars and galaxies. So in this video, I will talk about some important aspects of this class, including weekly schedule and grading. Please listen carefully and email me if you have questions. So for this class, we will be following the book, Conceptual Physical Science Explorations, 2nd edition. Please make sure you have a copy of the book before the course begins. We will need the book starting right from the first week of classes. This book should be available at the Clarion University bookstore. So as you can see, there are about 3.5 weeks of classes. So for week 1, starts from December 16, goes through December 20. Week 2 is December 23 through December 27. Week 3 is December 30 through January 3. And week 4 is January 6 through January 8. So our final exam is scheduled to be on the 8th of January. So we will follow a general weekly schedule for this class. I will be assigning study materials for every week of this class. So on Monday and Tuesday, we will read through the assigned study materials. On Tuesday, before 11:59 p.m., we will be required to make a post on the discussion board regarding the study material. So in this post, you will write about 3 things that you learned, 1 question that you still have, and 1 response each to 3 different student comments. Similarly, we'll follow a similar schedule for Wednesday and Thursday. So study material will be assigned for Tuesday and Thursday. We'll be required to make a similar discussion post based on the study material before end of day, Thursday. And on Friday, we will have a quiz on D2L that pertains to study materials assigned for that particular week. So in addition to the weekly discussions and quizzes, we will also have a term project for this course. So this term project will be our term paper. So on or before January 8th, you will be required to upload a 4 to 5 page document, single space font 11, into the Dropbox. So this written document will be graded. So this project will be an essay titled Physics in Everyday Life and will highlight the understanding of physics and astronomy you received as a result of this class. I would like you to take a few examples, about 4 to 6 examples, of real-life situations. For example, the situation could be related to your major subject, your hobby, etc., and explain the physics involved in such a situation. So coming to the most important aspect of this class, grading. So please note that there are a total of 6 discussions. So for each discussion, each discussion counts for 25 points. So 3 things that you learned will count for 15 points per discussion. The 1 question that you still have, that will count for 5 points. And 3 responses that you answer for student comments will carry 5 points. So that's 25 points for each discussion. So, and since we have 2 discussions every week, we will be having 6 discussions, which will count for an overall 150 points. And then weekly quizzes on Fridays. So there will be a total of 3 weekly quizzes, and that will count for 25 points each. So that's a total of 75 points. And then the term group project titled Physics in Everyday Life, which is due January 8th, that will count for 100 points. And then your final exam will count for 100 points. So that's a total of 425 points for this course. Based on your score that you obtain for the 425 points, letter grades will be assigned as appropriate. So the tentative letter grades are 383 to 425 will be an A grade, 341 to 382 will be a B, 298 to 340 would be a C, 255 to 297 would be a D, and below 255 would be an F. So good luck and let's make it a great class.